The manual restoration is mainly used to record the order information that needs to be processed by your company. Based on the production requirements and status of the order, you can see the order actions that need to be performed first. You can also view scan, design, nest, mail and completed orders by category, and filter orders that are my task or to-do list. If you have an order to process, but the order information is not found in the list, you can also enter this information through the new order. First, enter the patient information according to your needs, then select the tooth position and repair type. If there is no option you need in View Common Restoration, click to switch all restoration. After the selection is completed, the material and shade are specified and the order can be saved. If you already have a patient's oral model, you can also click Save and Scan to scan or upload it directly. After saving the order can be designed. After clicking Design, the system will automatically start UP3D design software for you. After the design is completed in UP3D, the system will automatically save the design model to the corresponding order. The people involved can then proceed with the rest of the process. Thanks for watching.